Today is a big day for us. My 2 year old is traveling in the metro for the very first time, and his reaction totally unexpected. Trust me, this was not easy as I thought. Hi guys, welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good. If you're new here, I share real mom life, toddler moments, and honest parenting experience. And today we are taking our little one on his first metro journey. So, yes, before leaving, I packed all the essentials because with a toddler, you can't take a risk. What I packed was I packed snacks, that is fruits, then I packed water bottle. I ensure that I carry a big water bottle for my baby whenever I travel outside. Since it's summer, they have to keep taking a sip so that they can be hydrated. And I also carried extra clothes because if they get messy, it's always good that we can change their clothes. And also I carried wet wipes and sanitizer and his favorite toy, just very important I would say, because if there is any meltdown, the toy will be very helpful for you guys. And honestly, preparation is everything when traveling with toddlers. Also, as soon as we reached the station, my baby was so excited, seeing so many new people and lights and the announcement and all. He was a little confused, I would say. He was like, "Where am I?" But still, I mean, he was really calm. And after the security checkup and everything, he was like, holding my hand. Even he was standing so still, just ensuring that nothing wrong is going around. And then the moment came, he saw the metro. As you guys already saw that when he saw the metro, I mean, his reaction was so priceless. First he got scared, then it was excitement, and then you can see like he was like, wow, I mean, he loves train, I would say. And yes, that's so amazing. Metros are really amazing if you're traveling in big cities like Bangalore, because to avoid the traffic, and also in summer, inside the metro it will be cool, so it's really good, I would say. And also when we got inside, he did not wanted to sit at all. He just wanted to explore everything. He kept looking at the door opening and closing, people sitting, the announcements and all. And also at one point he got a little overwhelmed, but then I distracted him with snacks and his toys, and that was like really good. He just wanted to get down. He already got bored. So yes, I know it's really challenging taking toddlers in train or metros and all, but yes, in this kind of situation is where the choice will be very helpful, and also the snacks, so that you can destroy their thought, so that you can just distract them and they will feel okay to be in that place. So yes, there was a moment when he almost like started crying. Too many people, noise, new environment, but I stayed calm, my family we stayed calm. We held him close and talked to him softly and slowly, so he settled down, and that was really amazing. So after a while he actually started enjoying it, looking outside, smiling at people, even waving at someone. That moment made everything worth it. So when our station was about to arrive, he was feeling so hungry, so we ensured that okay, fine, we still had like 3 4 stations that has to go by. So we decided, okay, let him finish his fruit. And as you guys can see, he was enjoying his fruit, and I had offered him chiku, which is really good. So just I ensured that I first wipe his hands, because he is so independent toddler that he wants to eat the food by himself, no matter, even if it's a snacks or even if it's anything else for that matter. He just wants to eat by his own hand. And yes, that is really great. That is really an amazing sign in kids. So I ensure that I had tissue in my hand, the wet tissue. I wiped his hand, then he started eating by himself, and I also kept the tissues ready, because once it's done, so I can just clean him up quickly. Because metros, they don't stop at a station for a really long time, so you have to be really quick. So when our station arrived, he did not even want to get down. I think it's safe to say his first metro ride was a success, and it was really amazing. If you guys enjoyed this real mom life, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Honest Motherhood, and also check out my other vlog where I shared a scary experience with my toddler. You don't want to miss that out. It was like deworming, which went really wrong, and that was the first time that I gave deworming for my baby, and there are a lot of information in that. So I will see you guys in the next video, and yes, until then, take care and be safe. Take care of your kids. Please don't leave them alone no matter wherever you go, and avoid crowded places at any cost. So yes guys, thank you for watching the video, and take care, and bye bye from me and my baby Jaden.